Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a US bank card from Paze Wallet. The first thing I want you to do is to launch up your US Bank app. Come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and then here I want you to click on Manage Cards. And right here you'll see all your different cards. We'll click on this one right here. Let's say we want to remove this. Then what I want you to do is under your Pay Your Way section, click here on Add to Digital Wallets. And you just scroll down, you'll see the connected wallet section, and then you'll see Paze. What I want you to do is click here on Manage Wallets. Then what I want you to do, here you'll see these cards in your Paze wallet. I want you to come down here, scroll down, select that card. And what I want you to do right here, you can either keep the card or you can remove it. So just come here, select Remove Card. And as you can see, the card was removed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out. Subscribe to Answer Unlocked, and that is how to remove a US bank card from Paze Wallet.